In the world of data management, Microsoft Excel is an indispensable tool that allows users to perform a myriad of tasks, from simple data entry to complex data analysis. One of the core functionalities of Excel is its ability to perform arithmetic operations efficiently. This guide will cover various methods for adding values in Excel, including adding values directly, using cell addresses, selecting values with the mouse, and utilizing the sum function. Additionally, we will delve into formatting cells and content, focusing on changing text styles and font sizes, aligning text within cells, and highlighting text for better visibility and emphasis. Adding values directly. To add values directly in a cell, you can type the formula using the addition operator. For example, to add the numbers 5 and 10, select a cell where you want the result, type is equal to 510, press enter, and the cell will display the result, 15. Adding using cell addresses. Using cell addresses in a formula allows you to add values from different cells. For example, if you want to add the values in cells A1 and B1, select the cell where you want the result, type is equal to A1 B1, press enter, and the cell will show the sum of the values in A1 and B1. Using mouse to select values in a formula, Excel allows you to use the mouse to select cells when creating a formula. This method is especially useful when working with large datasets. Select the cell where you want the result, type is equal to dot, click on the first cell you want to add, type, click on the next cell, press enter to complete the formula and display the result. Using the sum function, the sum function is a powerful tool for adding multiple values or ranges of values. To use this function, select the cell where you want the result, type is equal to sum, dot, click and drag to select the range of cells you want to sum, or type the cell range manually, example, A1, A10, dot, type, dot, press enter to display the total sum of the selected cells. Changing text style and font size. To make your spreadsheet more readable and visually appealing, you can change the text style and font size, select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, choose a different font and font size from the drop-down menus, aligning text in a cell. Proper alignment of text within cells can improve the readability of your data. Select the cell or range of cells you want to align. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Alignment group, choose the alignment options, left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, as needed. Highlighting text. Highlighting text can be useful for emphasizing important information. Select the cell or range of cells you want to highlight. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font group, click the Fill Color button and choose a color from the palette to highlight the selected cells. Mastering basic and advanced functions in Excel can significantly enhance your productivity and data management capabilities. This guide has provided a comprehensive overview of various methods for adding values in Excel, as well as techniques for formatting cells and content to make your data more organized and visually appealing. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, these tips can help you navigate Excel more efficiently and present your data more effectively. By applying these skills, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of tasks in your day-to-day work with Excel.